Hello friends, now I am giving hands-on review of different color variant of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Doing so, I will also share some in-depth information of this smartphone. Samsung introduced its latest flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S25 series, which includes the S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25 models. The company also teased a Galaxy S25 Edge, though no additional details were provided. The lineup showcases hardware upgrades alongside cutting-edge AI features powered by Google's Gemini platform. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's flagship model, is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, promising enhanced performance with a 40% improvement in neural processing, a 37% boost in CPU, and a 30% increase in CPU efficiency over the previous generation. It features a 6.9-inch QHD Plus AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz super smooth refresh rate. Camera capabilities are enhanced with a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera including a 200 megapixel wide lens. The phone also has a 12 megapixel front camera, a 50 megapixel and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with a 5000 mAh battery and optimized thermal management through a 40% larger vapor chamber than previous generation. Hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.